Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a legitimate license or permission to obtain Choco Chalk Crk 2025. This avoids legal and security risks. Once confirmed, check the target machine meets requirements, Windows 10/11, adequate RAM and disk space, and make sure you have administrative rights. Next, prepare the package manager or vendor account credentials, because once you initiate download, you'll need uninterrupted access. These first steps minimize interruptions and ensure the installer runs cleanly. Now proceed to download from the official vendor portal or an authorized package repository. This reduces malware risk. Before running anything, verify the file checksum or digital signature so you know the package is authentic. Once verified, run the guided installer. Select the components you need, confirm the installation path, and accept or install required dependencies. Make sure updates are enabled so subsequent patches install automatically, and monitor the installer messages. Complete setup by running quick post-install checks. Confirm the reported version, ensure background services started, and run a basic functionality test. Once done, apply the latest patches and configure backups or a rollback snapshot so you can revert if needed. If something goes wrong, make sure to collect installer and system logs, note error codes, and attempt a clean reinstall from the verified package. If that fails, contact official support with your logs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.